how you can download YouTube videos. So the very first step is launch your YouTube app. So YouTube directly gives you an option to download a YouTube video, but some of the videos don't really have the option of downloading them, but we're gonna download some of the videos that are available in this video. So let's get started with it. Just tap on one of the videos that you may like to download. After tapping on the video, you can see like, subscribe, share option and remix option as well. Just scroll to the side a bit and you see the download option in the middle. Just tap on that download option and your video will be downloaded onto your device. You can choose your download quality, medium, low, and you also have the premium option of full HD and high, which you need to pay. Just tap on the download option and view your downloads. Here you can see your video is being downloaded onto your device, and in that way you can download YouTube video into your device. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.